Next topic, SAS congruence criteria. Okay. SAS congruence criterion, that means side angle side. For example, triangle ABC. AB equal to 7 centimeter, BC 5 centimeter, angle B 50 degree. Okay. Here triangle DEF, DE equal to 5 centimeter, EF 7 centimeter, angle E 50 degree. Okay. So how can you say that SAS congruence criteria? The two sides and angle. What type of angle? Included angle. Included angle means what? These two sides are AB and BC. Included angle means what? Angle B. Angle B is called the included angle of side ABA and BC. The same thing ED and EF. What is the included angle of these two sides? Angle E is the included angle. Okay. Then using this congruence criterion means AB equal to 7 centimeter, EF also 7 centimeter. AB equal to EF equal to 7 centimeter. Next, angle B equal to angle E. Angle B equal to angle E equal to 50 degree. Next, BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE equal to 5 centimeter. How can you write the symbolic form of these two triangles? Here triangle ABC, triangle ABC. First you start from A, that means 7 centimeter, then 5 centimeter you reach at angle B, that is 50 degree, and then C, BC 5 centimeter. The same thing you can start from F, F, E, D, because you start from F, the 7 centimeter you reach a E, that means 50 degree, and again 5 centimeter. Okay, that means F, E, D is the corresponding letters. Okay, F, E, D. Okay. Here SAS congruence criterion means what? Two sides and included angle of one triangle is equal to, what is it? Two sides and included angle of another triangle. Then this type of criteria is called SAS criteria. Then we can say that using this criteria we can say that these two triangles are congruent. By SAS congruence criterion we can say that what? These two triangles are congruent. How can you say then? How can you write the symbolic form? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED, not DEF. Should write in the proper way. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED, because you should start from F, FED. Here ABC means what? 7 centimeter you cover it, next 5 centimeter, in between 50 degree also there. The same thing you should start from F, FE 7 centimeter, again you here cover it 5 centimeter, in between 50 degree. That means you write it triangle FED. Okay, triangle ABC congruent to triangle FED by SAS congruence criteria. Next, we have to check it. These two triangles are congruent by SAS. How can you check it? BA equal to 4.5 centimeter, DF also 4.5 centimeter. Here AC equal to 4 centimeter, DF equal to 4 centimeter. Here these two sides BA and AC are two sides. Here in between these two sides one angle is there, angle A. That angle A is called included angle. Here also the same thing, DE and DF are two sides. Angle D is a included angle. But in this case included angles not equal. This is 60 degree, this is 55 degree. It is not a congruent. Okay, that included angle are also equal, then you can say that what? These two triangles are congruent. But in this case angle A and angle T are included angle of these two sides, but this measurement is not same. Then you can say that these two triangles are not congruent. Next, a third example, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Here angle B equal to 35 degree, angle E equal to 35 degree. Here AC equal to 4 centimeter, CB equal to 6 centimeter. Here DF equal to 4 centimeter, EF equal to 6 centimeter. What is the included angle of side AC and CB? Angle C is the included angle. But in this figure, angle B given 35 degree. Okay. The same thing DF and EF. What is the included angle of these two sides? Angle F is the included angle. But in this figure, angle E is given. Okay. That means these two triangles are not congruent. Because what is the reason? Here in this figures, angle C and angle F are included angle but not given. Okay. But in this figure, angle E and angle B equal to 35 degree. These two angles are not included angle of the given sides. Okay. Therefore, these two triangles are not congruent.